Lenovo LOQ i5 13th Gen HX processor. Unity System Solutions. Power adapter 170 watt slim tip, 3-pin AC adapter, 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. Intel Core i5-HX processors feature newly optimized hybrid architecture and industry-leading technology that enables you to go beyond gaming and creation. With Intel, you can do it all. From progressing in-game to advancing in real life, Intel empowers you to be your best self. Processor 13th generation Intel Core i5-13450HX processor. E-cores up to 3.40 GHz, P-cores up to 4.60 GHz. Graphic card. Nvidia GeForce RTX 3050 laptop GPU 6GB GDDR6. Memory 16GB DDR5 to 4800 MHz. Storage 512GB SSDM 2. 15-inch display variants are the standard and are used for more than half of all laptops. The reason for the popularity of mid-sized displays is that this size is reasonably easy on the eyes, often allows high resolutions and thus offers rich details on the screen. Special features: AI chip, LA1. Monitor supports up to 3 independent displays, native display and 2 external monitors via HDMI, USB-C. HDMI supports up to 4K at 60Hz, USB-C supports up to 4K at 60Hz. .5mm key travel. The Lenovo LOQ 15IRX9 laptop's keyboard offers precision and comfort perfect for gaming and extended typing sessions. Enjoy 100% anti-ghosting for accuracy during intense gameplay. Choose between calming vibrant 4-zone RGB lighting and personalize it further with swappable keycaps. Touchpad buttonless Mylar Surface Multi-Touch Touchpad supports Precision Touchpad (PTP). Camera, FHD 1080p with E-shutter, fixed focus. Lenovo LOQ 15IRX9's revolutionary hyperchamber thermal design is a game-changer. The hyperchamber was purposefully designed for gaming, employing dual fans that spin outward to efficiently expel heat from the back of the device. No more hot air blowing on your hand during a game. The sealed chamber also grants an extra 10 W of power, maximum 160 W thermal design power, reduces skin temperature by 2 degrees Celsius, and decreases noise by 2 decibels. Whether in an epic gaming session or a library's quiet zone, enjoy your laptop in cool silence. Intel Core i5-13450HX series that offers 10 cores. 6 performance, 4 efficiency cores, and clocked with up to 4.6 GHz. Streamline your gaming and study experiences seamlessly with Lenovo AI Engine Plus, fueled by the LA1i chip. Activate balance mode in Lenovo Vantage and let AI intelligence dynamically adjust your laptop's settings based on real-time system monitoring. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual adjustments when juggling CPU-intensive schoolwork with GPU-demanding games. You'll enjoy peak performance effortlessly with Smart Eye. Audio chip high definition, HD, audio, Realtek. Stereo speakers, 2WX2, optimized with Nahimic audio microphone dual microphone array. Battery integrated Li polymer 60 Wh battery, supports Rapid Charge Pro, charge up to 50% in 30 minutes. Max battery life, 1. Mobile Mark 25 to 4.1 hours local video, 1080p, playback at 150 nits, 5.6 hours. Stay gaming ready and mobile with the Lenovo LOQ laptop's efficient and fast charging battery. Super Rapid Charge Pro offers a 10-minute boost to 40% capacity, 30 minutes to 80%, and 60 minutes to 100%. With 140W Type-C charging support, you're always ready for gaming or academics. Max memory up to 32GB DDR5 4800 up to 32GB DDR5 5600. Memory slots. 2 DDR5 SO-DIMM slots, dual channel capable. Storage support. Up to 2 drives, 2x M2 SSD. M2 2242 SSD up to 1TB. Storage slot. 2 M2 2280 PCIe 4.0x4 slots.